Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ham, equity analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Friday, May 15th. Choppy trading in the early going gave way to broad-based selling, which resulted in the stock market's fourth decline this week. In turn, stocks logged a weekly loss of 5%. Economic data did little to motivate participants. The April CPI met expectations by coming in flat, while core CPI saw a stronger increase than had been expected by coming in with a 0.3% monthly increase. Industrial production for April fell 0.5%, which wasn't quite as bad as what had been expected, and capacity utilization came in at 69.1%, moderately better than what was expected. News that life insurers will have access to $22 billion in TARP funds initially won support for the group. However, concern that the government funds may not win higher ratings for the companies, along with the recognition that many companies continue struggling with macro headwinds, undercut the group's strength. Life and health insurers finished 3.5% lower. In a similar vein, rating agency Fitch placed several regional banks on credit watch negative amid concern related to further credit deterioration. Regional bank stocks finished the session 3% lower. Weakness in insurers and banking issues dragged the financial sector to a 2.5% loss, which was worse than any other major sector in the S&P 500. Utility stocks also underperformed for the entire session, extending the prior session's decline. Electric utilities fell 2.7% amid news that FirstEnergy held a disappointing rate auction. Retailers showed periodic strength in the wake of better-than-expected earnings from Nordstrom and JCPenney, but the group still finished 0.7% lower. Tech, which is the largest sector in the S&P 500 by market weight, showed relative strength and actually spent the majority of the session as the only sector in the green. While several large-cap tech stocks held on to their gains, the broader tech sector was unable to fight off the negative bias and finished 0.1% lower. The broader market did find some support late in the session after slipping through key technical levels. Still, declining issues outnumbered advancers by 3-1 in the S&P 500. I'm Jeffrey Ham for Briefing.com, and thanks for listening.